Right, children, now I'm going to show you this, right? Now this video will show you about vertebrates and invertebrates, right?
On the animal kingdom to determine how these animals can be further divided into two phyla or groups called vertebrates
Now,
and invertebrates.
You know, they divide all organisms into two groups like this.
Animals
vertebrates and invertebrates.
Groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. To classify an animal, scientists usually start by checking for a backbone. Animals with a backbone are called vertebrates, while those without a backbone.
Backbone is another common word for vertebral column, okay? You must know that backbone and vertebral column are the same meanings, but backbone is a normal language word, vertebral column is a scientific word. Then both are given marks, both are accepted. Backbone or a vertebral column. Vertebrates have a backbone or vertebral column. Invertebrates do not have a vertebral column or no backbone. So that's how they are classified.
Are called invertebrates. For example, the sea star and the salamander are both in the animal kingdom. However, salamanders have a backbone, but sea stars do not. The salamander and other animals with backbones are classified in the same
family. Salamander has a backbone here.
The
you see,
star and other animals with
in the middle, this is where the backbone is, right? They have a backbone, right? A backbone is running inside their body on the dorsal. Dorsal means this one. They have a backbone, and this one does not possess a backbone.
Backbones belong to the other phyla called invertebrates. Let us investigate further. The 7 vertebrate classes include: the fish group has 3 categories: the jawless fish.
You know, when you study in a simple manner, first of all, I'll tell you in a simple manner, right? You can easily remember this one, right? Easily can remember that vertebrates, there are only 5 groups of vertebrates, children. There are only 5 groups of vertebrates. Those 5 vertebrates groups are: one is, fish group. One is, fish group, right? Fish are vertebrates. And other group is amphibians. Amphibians can live both in water and land. But what is very necessary for them, remember. What is very necessary for them, right? Salamander is an amphibian, frog, newt. There are several examples like that. Fish completely live in water, and salamander, frog, they need water in their life cycle, and they can live in both land and water. But what is very, very necessary for them. And after that, reptiles. Okay, reptiles. Reptiles live in dry area. Birds. Birds can fly. පහයි තියෙන්නේ මතක තියාගන්න. Vertebrate group පහයි තියෙන්නේ. Fish, amphibians, mammals. Very easy.
Fish, and most a digestive system. Take a look close. Reptiles feed water. They have jaws made of bone.
Now all these are mammals. Their bodies are, see now, we call them mammals. We call children lactation. They babies. Lactate their babies. So can be
turtles, snakes, or on land.
Other side, and
Jaws and skeletons.
reptiles to their they don't give birth to young ones. They lay eggs. Big eggs. Reptiles.
Gather air that got their oxygen from the air.
Somebody please on. Come in. It's
Tortoise.
this snake. You say it's also correct. Okay. Let's
got
go
their
on.
oxygen and on land. They have small.
Amphibians actually young ones live completely water. Okay. So amphibians are මතක තියාගන්න දෙන්නේ FROG frog කියන්නේ ගොඩිමට එනවා හරි අඩුයි වතුරෙම තමයි තිස්සෙම. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැකලා ඉන්නවා ලිං වල ඉන්න ගෙම්බු. හරිද? ලිං වල ඉන්න ගෙම්බු. ඒගොල්ලෝ වතුරෙන් එළියට එනවා හරි අඩුයි. සමහර ඉන්නවා ගොඩබිම ඉන්න ගෙම්බු ලෑන්ඩ් එකේ. ඒ ගොඩබිම ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩබිම ඉන්න කෙනා තමයි ගෙම්බ ඇත්තටම. toad කියන්නේ ගෙම්බට. TOAD toad. Water. In the water bodies we can find frog. Frog lives in water. Toad is on the land. And this one salamander. This is also another example for salamander, right? Another variety.
Jaws and skeletons made of bone and lay eggs without shells in water. And scales on their legs.
After that, birds. Birds are also called as aves or aves. All these are birds. Remember, now this is an eagle, ostrich, another bird, you know, this one is also another bird. All these birds have same features. Now, as I told you earlier, we classify the organism according to their common features. Then do they all have been put into the same group birds? Why? They all have same features. You know, eagle can fly. Penguin cannot fly. But they both belong to the same group. Eagle has feathers covering the body. They also have. Penguins also have. Ostrich also has. All the birds have feathers. And they have beak. Shape of the beak may change. Shape of the beak may differ. Eagle has a curved beak to eat flesh. But these, you know, ostrich eats grains. Therefore, ostrich doesn't have a curved beak. Ostrich has a normal beak because it eats grains. And penguin mostly swim in water. Mostly it swims in water. Therefore, its body is adapted for swimming in water. In ice areas, ice water, penguin has the ability to swim. So see, all are birds, but they have similarities and little bit dissimilarities also. They all lay eggs, huh? All these legs.
Birds have jaws and skeletons made of hollow bones. They lay eggs on land with hard shells and have lungs that gather oxygen from the air. Anthropologists are using fossils to connect modern birds.
Then we come to fish, right? Then we come to fish.
As I mentioned, there are three
You may have
categories
seen, you
of
know,
fish.
various type of fish.
Jawless fish, such as lampreys, live in water and do not have
There are
scales on the skin.
snake-like, snake-shaped fish. And the eels, you know,
Jawless fish have
eels, so
soft
they have, you know,
cartilage and use gills to gather oxygen from water. They lay eggs
snake-like
without
body.
shells.
Snake body or snake-like body.
Like sharks and rays live in water and
And
have scales on their
shark
skin.
is also,
Jaws and soft skeletons
sharks
made
are
of
also
cartilage
fish.
and use gills to gather oxygen from water.
They are also fish, you
Frogs
know.
lay eggs without shells.
And
And finally,
these
bony
also another fish,
such
bony
as
fish.
salmon and trout, live in water and have scales on their skin. They have eggs without shells.
Fish also lay eggs. Some fish have bony skeleton. සමහර මාළුන්ගේ තියෙන්නේ ඇටකටු. මේ shark ගේ ගත්තොත් ඇටකටු නැහැ, bones නැහැ. It has cartilaginous skeleton. When sharks are cut, you may have that, sometimes you may have eaten skate කියන්නේ මඩුව. මඩු මාළු කාලා දෙනවා, මඩු මාළු කද්දී ඇතුලේ තියෙන ñොරොස් ගාලා හැපෙනවා නිකන්. හයිය නෑ. ඒ හයිය නැතුව හැපෙන අපි ඒවට කියන ළමයි කාඩ්ලේජ් කියලා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ නහය අල්ලලා බලන්න, නහය ඇතුලේ අස්ති නෑනේ, බෝන්ස් නෑනේ. නහය ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ කාටිලේජ්. ඒ වගේ මේ කාටිලේජ් තියෙන මේ මොනවාද බොඩි එකක් තමයි, ස්කෙල්ටන් එකක් තමයි sharks and the skates have. Skate means, you know, madua. Then we come to invertebrates.
So classes of invertebrates
Now,
include arthropods,
these are
mollusks,
invertebrates.
worms, sponges, and echinoderms.
Well, there are several groups of invertebrates. Invertebrates do not have a vertebral column, right? There are several groups of vertebrates. One vertebrate category is arthropods. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන්නේ මේගොල්ලෝ ගැන තමයි. In your book you have a lot of examples, right? Arthropods are insect like, you know, insects actually, insect like, you know. Arthropods are insect like, right? You know, their bodies you just, you know, watch it, you know, watch it for a while, right? Watch it for a while.
Spiders, scorpions, mites, and ticks. Crustaceans like crabs, crayfish, lobster.
But you see now, all these have similarity. All these have similarity, right? You know, butterflies have joints in their body, joints in their appendages. දන්නවනේ joints කියන්නේ හන්දි තියෙනවා මේ හැමතැනම joints තියෙන්නේ. This is, you know, wasp. දෙබරෙක් මේ ඉන්නේ. එයාගෙත් තියෙනවා joints. බලන්න මෙයාගෙත් ඇඟේ joints තියෙනවා. මේ spider ගෙත් තියෙනවා. මේ ඔක්කොම අයිති වෙන්නේ arthropods වලට. Arthropods, all these are.
පත්තයත් ඕකටද අයිති වෙන්නේ?
ඔව් ඔව්. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්න example ටිකක් කියන්නකෝ ළමයි මේකට. Arthropods වලට example ටික butterfly, wasp, scorpion, gonussa, spider, makuluwa. One by one, tell me now. Ravin, you said, you actually one by one say two examples quickly. That time you understand this. Cockroach, then arthropods. Say arthropods, yeah. Say now. Others also say now quickly. Right? Cockroach, beetle, yeah. Centipede. Some more?
Prawn?
Huh?
Prawn is that?
No. Prawn doesn't belong. Prawn is belong to crustaceans. Huh?
Millipede?
What?
Millipede?
Millipede, correct. Yeah. Millipede, correct. Yeah. Millipede, correct. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. You know, I asked you arthropods, no? I asked you arthropod, no? Sashmi is correct, huh? Prawn also correct. I didn't ask about crustacean. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ළමයි පන්තියේදී ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ක්ලාස් එකේදී මේ ආර්ථ්‍රොපෝඩ්ස් ලා නැවත බෙදන්නේ නැහැ. අපි A level වලට ළමයි ආර්ථ්‍රොපෝඩ්ස් ලා නැවත බෙදෙනවා ඉන්සෙක්ට් ලා කියලායි ක්‍රස්ටේෂියන් කියලායි. ඒ ඔක්කොම ආර්ථ්‍රොපෝඩ්. මම හැවි ආර්ථ්‍රොපෝඩ් වලට එක්සැම්පල් දෙන්න කියලානේ. ඒ හින්දා ප්‍රෝන්ස් උත් හරි සශ්මි. ක්‍රස්ටේෂියන් කියලා මෙහෙම බෙදන්නේ අපේ grade 7 වල. මේ ඔක්කොම අයිති වෙන්නේ all these belong to arthropods. They have jointed appendages. Joints තියනවා ගොඩක්. Then prawn crab, they also belong to arthropods. They have lot of joints here. Remember, so many joints තියෙන ගාම ටක් ගාලා කියන්න පුළුවන් මෙයා arthropod කෙනෙක් කියලා. Please say some more examples.
And centipedes.
තියෙන්නේ centipede and millipede. Now is it clear to you? You don't want to learn by heart. When you see all these examples together, you remember arthropods. From the jointed appendages, එකපාරම ඔලුවට දාගන්න. මෙන්න මේ කට්ටියගේ මේවා තියෙනවා මේ ඔක්කොමයි තියෙන එකට. වෙන ඕන organism කෙනෙක් දැක්කොත් මේ වගේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට ලේසියෙන් හඳුන ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ වගේ explain කරපුවාම මේගොල්ලෝ අයිති වෙන්නේ මේකටනේ. They belong to arthropods like that, right? So easily you can understand. So all these are arthropods, right?
Is emotionally diverse. It is estimated there are still tens of millions of species of insects that are not pods. Compared to about all shapes and sizes, pods also have strong. So, just to recap, vertebrates are animals that have a backbone, such as mammals, reptiles.
Then after that, I will show you another group of organisms, right? This is another group of organism. Amphibians I showed you, and I will show you complete another reptiles once again. Another group of reptiles, okay?
To warm up, this is probably why reptiles look every. Hi.
Now I'm going to show you reptiles once again, right? See, now these are reptiles. See, when you see over and over again, what happens, you can remember them.
Hi everyone.
So reptiles have a very dry skin or dry covering. You see now, all these reptiles have a very dry skin. They lay eggs. Dry skin or tough covering. Some reptiles live in water also, crocodile. But many of the reptiles live on land. They can live on land without water for a long time. Reptiles' main adaptation is that they can survive without water. They don't drink water, remember. This is a big snake. See now. They have tough body covering. Right? Another reptile. It's a lizard. This is a snake.
Reptile's skin is dry and watertight. It may be rough or smooth.
This is rattlesnake. You see, rattlesnake has a rattle at the tail. They can move their rattle to give a rattling sound. But tortoises have tough covering. You see, tortoises laying eggs. Can you see them laying eggs? Tortoise also lay eggs. You know turtle in the sea? Turtle come to the beach This is a turtle. When the balance turtle getting me. When the balance turtle getting me. බිත්තර දාලා වහනවා. මේගොල්ලෝ සමහරලාට මං හිතන්නේ පොයේ දවස්වලට කොහෙදුනේ මේ බීච් එකට එන්නේ මිනිස්සු හොරෙන් බිත්තර හොරකම් කරනවා බිත්තර 100ක් විතර වගේ දානවා. මේ turtle. You see, turtle body is little bit different than tortoise. Turtle lives in the sea, but it can live without water. But it comes to the beach to legs. See now, its limbs are adapted for flying. For flying. A casbah. In single, a casbah.
Lay their eggs on dry land. Reptiles are fascinating creatures and come in many different shapes and sizes. Some people even keep reptiles as pets. Some reptiles eat good pets,
Chameleon, Katusa,
and some would make
crocodile.
bad pets.
This is a
I
snake.
hope you enjoyed learning about reptiles today. Goodbye till next time. Next time.
See now, it's very clear. So they are reptiles. Huh? I'll be showing you all the animals. That time you will easily understand, and because this lesson is for you to learn by understanding. And so this is about mammals, another set of mammals.
I have learned
You see,
we're going to
teddy bear.
mammals.
Teddy bear's body is fully covered with hair.
Large
This is tiger. Remember children, in English we call it tiger.
have backbones.
Tiger කියන්නේ ඇත්තටම ව්‍යාඝ්‍රයද.
Unlike reptiles and amphibians, they are warm-blooded.
All they have
Mammals can also
fur covering the body.
their fur or hair.
They give birth to youngs mostly. පැටව තමයි දාන්නේ. Give birth to youngs.
Mammals are highly adaptable. They live on every continent and can live in grasslands, forests, oceans, polar regions, and deserts. Mammals can
Right? Fox,
fly,
they
run,
dolphin,
and climb.
bats.
There are more than 5,000
See bats.
species of mammals alive today. And they
This
range in
is
size from the tiny bumbleback
baboon.
to the gigantic.
Earlier one baboon. These are whales.
Almost
See
all
whales
mammals
now.
give birth to
Very
live
huge.
young. Some mammals, called marsupials, carry
Kangaroo.
eggs in pouches. Only two kinds of mammals, the platypus and the echidna, lay eggs.
This is
Still,
duck-bill
once they
platypus.
hatch, their babies drink.
Remember, මෙන්න මේකට දැනගන්න ළමයි මෙයාට කියන්නේ duck bill. Duck bill කියන්නේ තාරා වගේ හොට වගේ තමයි මෙයාගේ කට තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? Duck bill platypus. හැබැයි මතක තියාගන්න එක මේක mammals වර්ගයේ බිත්තර දාලා පැටවුන්ට කිරි දෙන. මේගොල්ලෝ ළමයි බිත්තර දාන්නේ මේ duck bill platypus. All the other mammals give birth to young ones. Okay, they give birth to young ones and they don't lay eggs. But this is the only mammal that lays eggs. And after the young ones come out of the eggs, this one give milk. So milk giving is called lactation. So this one is considered as mammal. Its body is also covered with hair. So it's a mammal because it has so many mammalian features. It has so many mammalian features.
Still, once they
This
hatch,
is
their babies drink milk.
porcupine.
just like
Earlier, other one
other
porcupine.
species of mammal.
Now this is bison.
Because of this, mammal parents always take care of their
This is
offspring.
otter. Otter means
Some
deer
for a
balla.
very short time, like the
Right?
baby seal that
Otter.
nurses her pups for only 4 days. Or for a very long time, like the orangutan that nurses her baby for 7 years.
This is orangutan.
Mammals are warm-blooded.
Jaguar.
This means that they maintain a constant
Jaguar.
internal body temperature. Keeping a stable body temperature takes a lot of energy, which means that mammals need to eat more than cold-blooded animals of similar size.
Cheetah.
However, Mammals
Cheetah.
take that energy in many different ways. Some mammals are carnivores,
Lion.
eating only meat. Some are herbivores, eating only plants. And some are omnivores,
Bear.
eating both plants and meat. You will probably recognize many of the types of mammals that
Hare.
are kept by humans. Some
Hare.
are kept on farms
Horses,
to do work or provide food for people.
cattle,
Other mammals are very popular as
and
pets.
dogs.
There are
Giraffe.
many more types of mammals that are happiest living in the wild.
Zebra.
I hope you enjoyed learning about mammals today. Goodbye till next time.
So now, all these are mammals, right? All of they are mammals. Huh? And before explaining, before giving you that final note, I will show you all. And you just see about some, once again, video of some fish also, right? Some fish. See now, you know they are guppy fish. Guppy, guppy. Guppy fish. Molly fish. These are called molly fish. They are also fishing. Fish body is mostly covered with scales. Scales means coral. They have gills for respiration. We call them platy. Platy fish. See now? Platy. Platy fish. And goldfish. They are goldfish. Koi fish. We call them koi. Actually, this koi word is used in Japan, right? Koi word is used in Japan and they are called koi fish. Here we use, if there is somebody who keep fish at home, please tell me, normally what do you call them? මෙන්න මේ වර්ගයේ මාළුවට මොනවා කියලාද ඕගොල්ලෝ මෙහි අපේ පැත්තේ ගොඩක් කියන්නේ ලංකාවේ කියන්නේ ලංකාවේ ජපාන් වල තමයි කොයි කියන්නේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මොනවා කියලාද කියන්නේ කියන්න බෑ මොනවා කියලාද කියන්නේ you know what are they called you know nobody knows කවුරුද දන්නේ නැද්ද oh my god right you don't know calf කියලා කියන්නේ මේගොල්ලන්ට calf ඔය aquarium වල හැමතැනම ඉන්නවා calf ගොඩක් ඔය if you go to Kalani aquarium water world and in many places we can find calf but in Japan they are called as koi angel fish we call them angel fish angel fish they all are fish you know observe various types and zebra fish now they swim in a nice manner in a flock same flock these are tiger barb they are called barbs no tiger barb rosy barb green barb there are so many barb types and tinfoil barb they are tinfoil barb because their body is tin color salmon tin color Gurami fish. These are gurami. They all have fins for locomotion. By using fins, they do locomotion, and legs, gills for respiration. Usma ganne gills වලින්, කරමල් වලින්. Right? Another gurami. Right? This type of gurami is very good because they live together. No? Discus fish. Body is like a disc, you know. Therefore, they are called as discus fish. Very beautiful, actually. No? Black ghost knife fish. See the way they swim. They are ventral. Earlier one ventral, you know. This one's, you know, ventral fin is like a curly band like. Therefore it's beautiful. Now this type of fish are actually expensive. මේ මම හිතන්නේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේගොල්ලෝ ලංකාවට ගෙන්නන්නේ මේ සවුත් ඇමරිකාවලින්. ඒවෙන් තමයි ගෙන්නන්නේ. ඒ තමයි ෆ්‍රෙෂ් වෝටර් බොඩිස් වල ඉන්නේ. This is called betta fish in the world, in India. But in Sri Lanka we call fighters කියලා කියන්නේ fighter fish. Two males cannot be put into the same group. This is called parrot fish, you know. Parrot fish, yeah, and their head is like a parrot, and therefore they are called parrot. This one flower bone fish because it has a flowery shape. Therefore flower horn. Okay, flower horn fish. Right? And the Oscar also very certain type of fish, you know. There are several colors in Oscar. Very expensive, right? Very means somewhat expensive. So when you consider big ones, you know, one fish will be about 1,500. There are several colors of Oscar. Black Oscar and white Oscar, like the colors are there. This black colored Oscar, normally we can't keep other fish here. I also had Oscar at home. When I put one goldfish into this one without knowledge, දාපු ගාන එක පාරට ගිල්ල goldfish මේගොල්ලෝ. දාපු ගාම්ම කනවා. ඒ කතා දෙකක් නැහැ. පොඩි මාළු එකෙක්වත් මේගොල්ලෝ එක්ක දාන්න බෑ. දැම්ම දාපු ගාන කනවා. ඔස්කල දාද්දි ඔස්කල විතරයි දාන්න පුළුවන්, වෙන කාවත් දාන්න බෑ. පොඩි ඔස්කල දාන්නත් බෑ, ඇටැක් කරනවා. මේ they swim slowly. Another colored Oscar. There are several colors. They grow bigger. But you see all. This one is expensive. Arowana. Lucky fish කියලා ලංකාවේ මිනිස්සු කියනවා. එක්කෙනයි දාන්න පුළුවන් ටැංකිය එක. දැකලා ඇති එක්කෙනයි ඉන්නේ ඇටැක් කරගන්නවා. ලේසි එකට මැරෙන්නේ Arowana. This one catfish. Some fish do not have scales in their body. කොරලා නැහැ ගොඩක් දේ. එහෙමත් ඉන්නවා. Giant gurami. This gurami is somewhat big actually. Big growing gurami. This one. Tell me whether you know about this fish, you know. කවුරුද දන්නවද මොන හරි මේ fish ගැන? පිරාන්ලා ඉන්නේ Amazon river එකේ මාළු වැටුනහම කනවා මේගොල්ලන්ගේ දත් ලොකුයි. ආයි ඇටකටු ඉතුරු වෙන්න මේගොල්ලෝ රංචු පිටින් ඉන්නේ කනවා. පිරානා එන dangerous. Piranha live in big shoal. When any creature falls into that, they attack. කෙලින්ම attack කළා ඇටකටු ඉතුරු වෙන්න සියලුම මස් කාලා දානවා. Piranha dangerous. මම කියන්නේ ෆිල්ම්ස් උත් තියෙනවා නේද piranha කියලා. So certain type of shark, you know. White shark fish. It's white, you know, shark fish we call it.